Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Ranger. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, black door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.